Shouts to Kings and Queens. Zero Dark 30, getting to it. See this motherfucker blocking me in. This motherfucker blocking me in. I'm gonna try and get out without having to wake them up, but I may have to wake them up, y'all. Hey, but anyway, this vlog is gonna be another travel vlog. I gotta pick up do a drop-in hook and then off to Memphis. This is a little less than 800 miles away, so yeah. It is now about going on what, 12:10 or so in the morning. Early. Boy, tired, man. I am tired. Tired of being on the road for now. But anyway, just want to get the day started, man. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Hit that like button. Yeah, I'll be back. Dude. Another truck blocking the space, man. This one parked and sleep because that pump is closed. But this guy has to go get his ass up. Like, come on, bruh. So, all right, hold on. What's wrong with these niggas, man? What's wrong with them? That's all right. Finna be back on the road, man. Go get me some ice in my cup and I'm out of here. I am outro. For sure. Getting to this dope. Oh. I crack myself up sometimes. I really do. Alright, y'all. It's dark. I'll holler at y'all. Check out the road. Man, finally made it here, got hooked up. As you see, the sun is coming up and it is 90 degrees already, man. 90 degrees already. The sun is just now barely coming up, Jack. Crazy. Wow. Slide these tandems. They got them all the way to the back. So I need to pull these bad boys forward. Tell me why I left my gas cap open, y'all. So yeah, I got over here. I finally parked my trailer right there, and I'm like, I ain't dripping that much air conditioner water. Yeah, look, I smelled it actually. Yep. Left the damn cap off, man. Like a damn rookie. Crazy, crazy. Leave it up to me. Moving too fast. Actually, I wasn't even moving fast. I can't even put it on moving fast. Cause I wasn't. Just woke up though. I did just wake up though. Let's see. What's the weight on this bad boy anyway? Oh, it ain't too heavy. Man. Just leaking. Back a little bit more. Alright, fam, y'all need to see me do this no more. I'll holler at y'all. Realest vlog on YouTube, man. I told y'all the good, the bad, the ugly, the pretty. All of it. Y'all getting it. Thanks for rocking with me. I'll be back. Peace. Hey, so I told y'all about the gas cap mistake I did. But I didn't tell you during my pre-trip this morning, I noticed somebody hit my truck. Yep. Somebody hit my shit while I was asleep, either asleep or in the shower. Because it was not there when I did my post-trip yesterday. And I definitely didn't hit nothing yesterday. All my parking spots was easy to get into, no lie. So, I'll show y'all later. Hopefully I remember. I should remember because I'm going to see it again when I do my pre-trip, or post-trip today, I should say. Yeah, man, somebody hit me though. Fucked up. Smashed the truck into a fairing. But anyway, that's all I can talk about now. I'm on the road. I'm finna hit the road and put this camera down. I'll holler at y'all. Peace. Y'all, this how we gonna finish off the vlog, man. My battery finna die, but I wanted to show y'all that. Look at that. That's how much left time I got left on my weekly clock. 2 hours and 41 minutes. So yeah, it's been a long week, y'all. A lot of running, waiting on motherfuckers, traffic. So with that said, I am 3 hours and 15 minutes away from the crib. So that means my clock's upside down. I have more time to drive than I have time on the clock. I am going home for my break, so maybe I can get some PC time. It's called personal conveyance for y'all non-truckers that's watching this. That's like if you want to do personal stuff with the vehicle when you're not actually working. So yeah, I don't know. I reached out to the team. I got a doctor's appointment to get to, so I'm gonna get up early in the morning and get as far as I can. Maybe I had old ladies pick me up if possible. I don't know how far I can make it. That is 2 hours and 40 something minutes is a nice chunk of that 3 hours and 15. So I don't know just yet. I'm waiting to hear back from them. Maybe I just take the violation. Who knows? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You'll come back tomorrow and find out what it is. What decision did I make? Did I have an old lady come pick me up, or did I decide to drive, or did I decide to stop and wait at it? I ain't gonna throw that as an option because I'm not stopping and waiting at the motherfucking truck stop for my 2 days. I'm gonna get home, so I'm either driving and gonna risk the violation, or I'm gonna have the old lady come pick me up if possible. She got shit to do too, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Come back tomorrow and we'll figure it out, y'all. Part of the mob issues, mob talk. All right, later. Go out there and make yourselves great too. Peace. All right, I thought that was gonna be it, but that ain't it, y'all. I'm happy. You see the smile on my face, right? Yeah, I look good. Sometimes I feel good. When I feel good, I look good. You know how I go. It's from the inside out, not outside in. But anyway, I got my time clock situated. I talked to my driver manager, and what I did and didn't do was go to off duty when I was sitting around yesterday. I guess I forgot to click it from on duty to off duty, so I was just sitting there with my clock running. So that was my bust. I ain't gonna lie to you, I got a lot going on in my head, in my life, in the fam. No excuses though, I messed up. But they were able to help me out, so now I do have enough time to get home. Yeah, I got plenty of time to get home. I was supposed to be home today to have all day off tomorrow, but shit happens. It was real either bad planning or just shitty luck out there with these runs. So I ain't tripping. It is what it is. I'll be able to get home early and spend time with the family, help out with the fam and all that. So yeah, I do feel a little bit better. Back to regularly scheduled programming. I had to say it slow. But anyway, man, thanks for rocking with me, man. Mob up. Peace. As promised, it's later in the day. Still hot than a motherfucker. Make me get out here so I will be a liar. Yeah, check it out. Man, it's gonna be sticking out that much. It's supposed to be more like that. Flush. Clip broke right here. It's supposed to be something like that. Yeah. That's new. Don't see nothing else. Everything else is good. I don't see nothing on the trailer. Yeah, man. Trailer, it was a different trailer in the parking spot this morning than it was last night, yesterday evening when I did my post trip. Yeah. Not me. It's on there though. It's a little ugly, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. Y'all know me well enough to know. If it was me, I would have said something. I ain't got nothing to hide. What they gonna do, fire me? But yeah, no, I didn't do that. Don't fire me. Don't do that, please. Please. Oh, man, I know that's funny to all of those that really, really know me. I know y'all probably cracking up right now. But anyway, yeah, that's how we gonna finish off the vlog.